Hi, my name is Valerie and I will guide you through your spiritual journey. And today is the last video about the chakras. So we're gonna talk about the 6th and the 7th chakras, also known as the third eye chakra and the crown chakra. The third eye chakra is located in the center of the forehead and is associated with wisdom and intuition, which means if it's balanced, we feel a strong feeling of intuition which guides us through our lives, and we have an understanding what to do with our life, what choices do we have to make, and we have a deep sense of wisdom. However, if our third eye chakra is blocked, we may experience feelings of confusion, indecisiveness, or a lack of spiritual connection. To balance the third eye chakra, we can engage in activities that promote spiritual awareness, such as meditation. I have a meditation for balancing all the chakras on my channel, so after watching this video you can go straight to listening that meditation. And also you can practice yoga and crystal healing. You can also place, this is amethyst, you can place it on your forehead and it will also help to open your third eye. We can also incorporate specific foods that nourish this chakra, such as eggplant, purple grapes, and dark chocolate, and essential oils such as patchouli essential oil and juniper. Moving to the crown chakra, the last chakra of the 7 chakras that we have in our bodies. It is located at the top of our head and is associated with enlightenment, spiritual connection, and universal consciousness. When this chakra is balanced, we feel a deep sense of spiritual connection and inner peace. However, if its chakra is blocked, we may experience feelings of disconnection, anxiety, or a lack of purpose in our lives. To balance the crown chakra, we can engage in activities that promote spiritual connection, such as prayer, visualization, or spending time in the nature. Or you can do it all together. You can go outside and meditate, listening to the singing of the birds and the wind. This is just wonderful. I don't know. I think you will enjoy it. We can also incorporate food that nourish this chakra, such as coconut and pure water. But you have to drink it consciously, thinking about what you want to achieve in your life and thinking about your dreams, your dream body. Just the best time to do it is in the morning. And also we can use essential oils such as lavender and rosewood oil. So there you have it, a brief overview about all the chakras and how to balance them. Don't forget that each chakra is interconnected and balancing them is essential for overall well-being. So don't forget to listen to my meditation on balancing all the chakras, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you will see more interesting videos on spiritual content. Thank you for your time and attention. Namaste.